So I was going to ask you about what's the process to do a grain bin system from OP Grain Management?
Yeah. First starts out as we come on your site. I come on your site, or Jay or Adam. Kind of do a simple site assessment. See which bins you're thinking about adding it to. Kind of figure out where everything's going to lay, how easy the install is going to be, so I can tell the techs kind of where things are going to go. And then we just kind of do some measurements of your bin, see how tall it is, get the eave height. If it's older, that's no problem. All we got to do is get the roof angle on that and count the sheets. We can figure it out and get that taken care of, no problem. Yeah, just kind of a simple site layout, and then we can kind of assess how many cables the bin calls for. We can always adjust to your needs or your wants as well. That also helps us determine the size of bracket we put on top of the bin to spread that roof load out. So that way, structure is not an issue. We don't have to worry about anything like that. That's kind of how that first thing start, and it's real simple. It's real easy to get even just a quote put together. It's not overwhelming deal.
So once farmer decides that he wants an OP Grain Management system, what's the next process as far as the installation goes?
As far as installation, our techs will call you, line up a time to come when the grain bin is empty. Is when we do our installs, because we don't want those cables going down through the roof and getting knotted up or tangled up or even intertwined with something. Yeah, so ideally bin completely empty or as close as empty as you can get it. We'll come on site. Techs will kind of figure out a layout of the bin, mark it out. They'll actually go on top of your bin, poke some holes in it, drop the cables and silicone everything up. It also comes with the cable head come with a kind of a silicone or a foam backing where it also seals as well. But we do the extra layer of silicone just to ensure no leaks in that bin. Yeah, then they just kind of work around the whole bin there, get all those dropped and hung. And then they work on what we call the cable node. Or if you're using OP Blue Light, we do it to a hub and run it down side of the bin so you can plug it in. From there, they usually go and do the what we call the gateway. So that goes anywhere we can get access to a router, or we need a hardwire connection into our gateway. Whether that's a cell modem or it's your house router or your shop router, we can make anything work there. So that's not a limiting barrier for anybody. Yeah, and that's kind of the most of it on the monitoring side.